Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be resetting the service reminder on this 2020 Peugeot 208. It has this style dashboard and cluster. So if we switch ignition on, we can see that the spanner is staying illuminated. So you've got the flashing spanner at the bottom, and you've also got the orange spanner symbol there, and saying our service is overdue by 7,000 miles. So we want to reset that, and how we're going to do that is we're going to switch the ignition off. We're going to hold in this button on the end of the stalk, and then we're going to switch the ignition on at the same time. So we'll hold in the button on the stalk and switch the ignition on. As you can see, the countdown has begun, so just keep that button held in. There you can see reinitialization done, so that's our service reset. We can release the button. So the gauges go up and down there. Switch the ignition off, start the engine. And as you can see, that's all been reset. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.